In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule a query in Google BigQuery. Whether you're managing data for a large enterprise or working on a personal project, scheduling queries can automate your workflow, saving you both time and effort. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open the query you want to schedule. If you already have a query written and ready to go, navigate to it in your BigQuery console. For those who might be new to this, the query is essentially the SQL statement you want to run automatically at specified intervals. Having your query ready and tested beforehand ensures that the scheduling process goes smoothly. Once your query is open, take a look at the toolbar directly above the SQL text editor. You'll notice a series of icons and buttons that offer various functionalities. Here, you want to focus on the clock icon, prominently labeled as the Schedule button. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your gateway to setting up automated query runs. After clicking the Schedule button, you'll see an option that says Create New Scheduled Query. Select this option to continue. This step is crucial as it leads you into the configuration panel where you'll set the parameters for your scheduled query. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to pay attention to the details. Now, you're in the configuration panel. This is where you define how and when your query should run. You'll need to fill out several fields, including choosing the frequency of the query runs, such as daily, weekly, or even monthly. You can also specify the exact time for the query to execute. This flexibility allows you to tailor the schedule to perfectly fit your project requirements or organizational needs. Additionally, you might see options for setting a start date and end date. This is particularly useful if you want the query to run during a specific time frame. Don't forget to enter any necessary notification settings. For instance, you might want to receive an email alert if a query fails to run successfully. These notifications can be crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data and workflow. Once you're satisfied with your configuration settings, it's time to save your work. Be sure to double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Saving the configuration will activate the schedule, and your query will run automatically according to the parameters you've set. And that's it! You've successfully scheduled a query in Google BigQuery. This process not only simplifies data management, but also frees you up to focus on more strategic tasks. Automation is a powerful tool, and understanding how to leverage it within BigQuery can significantly boost your productivity. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy querying!